Many people love forest. What are the forests? It is the broad area of land covered with trees. Humans love the smell, sounds that the forest creatures make, and the wind sound blowing through the trees. Besides, the forests provide life to many kinds of new flora and fauna. Forests also cover 31% of the Earth's land surface, and below are the top 5 beautiful forests that we think the most beautiful. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Redwood National Park. Redwood National Park covers almost 131,983 acres in Humboldt County and Del Norte County. California lies in the Pacific time zone. Additionally, Redwood established a national park on October 2, 1968. The coast redwood is one of the tallest trees on earth, and the local coast redwood tree can reach up to 300 feet or more, the tallest tree on earth. Del Norte Coast, Jedediah Smith and Prairie Creek Redwood Parks are the other 3 parks created to protect the redwood tree population. Together, these 4 parks make up Redwood National Park. It has 37 miles of coastline on the Pacific Ocean. Within Redwood National Park has a different species of rare animals and birds, some of them listed as endangered species. Number 4. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Without a doubt, Monteverde is the best cloud forest in all of Costa Rica. It is one of the essential cloud forests for those who look for adventure. Situated in the highest part of the Telron mountain region, established in 1973, Costa Ricans created a park around it in 1973 to protect its beauty. Initially, it covers only 810 acres of forested land, and nowadays it approximately 35,089 acres. Why does everyone insist on visiting this cloud forest at least once? Most forest parts are usually covered in clouds, making it a freezing place to stay. Costa Rica locates between the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean, which creates a great divide. Visitors to this forest can step over the separation, claiming that they are in 2 countries at one time. Number 3. Crooked Forest. We can see all the trees in this forest uniformly deformed. The pine trees in this forest look like portobello stick figures. On some trees, the base of the trunks abnormally distorted with the full 90 degree. From its core, the trees bend into a significant C shape. It is in Europe near the town of Grafino, in Poland, province of West Pomerania. Farmers assumed that the people planted the pine trees in this forest in the mid-1930s, but there is no definitive answer for these pine bizarre shapes. And the story behind this pine tree is as mysterious as it looks. Some have said that it results from a terrible snowstorm, and abnormal gravity forces in that area have morphed their trunk and army tank flattening. Number 2. Amazon Rainforest. Amazon Rainforest covers an area of 23 lakh square miles. This region is better known for its high rainfall, high humidity and monotonously high temperature that prevail here. The Amazon rainforest has around 3,000 fruits, and people in the western world use only 200 of them. However, indigenous tribes consumed over 2,000. It is the largest of the rainforest, give the earth more than 20% of its oxygen. The Amazon rainforest is a beautiful forest region that consists of millions of miles of trees, unique animals, and rare species of plant and bugs. Taking up most of the Amazon basin, it goes across 9 South American countries such as Bolivia, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and smaller parts of other South American countries. Number 1. Daintree Forest. It is a region on the north of Cairns in the tropical north and covers approximately 460 square miles. It is generally known as one of the most diverse and beautiful forests in the world. Also, it is home to animals and the most extensive range of plants on the earth. The Daintree rainforest is dating back over 135 million years, make them the oldest in the world. Australian geologist and photographer Richard Daintree named this rainforest after the 19th century. This beautiful forest has a tropical climate all year long. We can find almost 3,000 different species of plants in the Daintree forest. We can also find the most popular and most dangerous animal, the saltwater crocodile, in the rainforest rivers and on its beaches. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.